I rely upon the one perfect activity of God. The all-intelligent, creative presence is the source of all that I am. I believe in the ability and the willingness of this great source to sustain its own creation. The kingdom and the power and the glory of God are expressed through me. I recognize myself to be a center through which the intelligence and the power of the universe find expression. Infinite mind operating through me now brings to me the manifestation of harmony, order, and the highest good. The consciousness of peace and plenty is established within me. All that is necessary to my happiness and well-being now comes into my experience. There can be neither limitation nor lack, for nothing ever restricts the one perfect activity. It is in full operation for me. I am now free from any sense of bondage. All power is given unto me from on high. Knowing this, I am strong with the strength of the all-vitalizing power of the universe. I am sustained and healed by a divine stream of spirit energy, which flows through me as radiant health and vitality. Every cell and atom of my being responds to the spiritual flow. I stand revealed as the perfect child of the perfect God. Strength and courage are my divine birthright, and I am now expressing my true self. All that God has is mine. I draw from the spiritual treasure house all that I need.